Hi, today we're going to be reviewing our third consonant, the letter Y. Right here we have the uppercase Y,
Y, ye,
Y, ye, and the lowercase y,
Y, ye,
Y, ye. Also, we hear the word ya as well, ya, Y, ya. Let's take a look at some words that start with the letter Y. Okay, our first word is yoga. Yoga. Yoga.
yoga,
Yoga. And both of you did a great job this year doing some yoga exercises in your PE class. It's a wonderful way to stretch, and we had lots of fun doing yoga in class. Yoga. All right, our next word is yum.
yum,
Yum. Yum. And a lot of people will say yum after they eat something that they think tastes really good. It looks like this guy here is eating a cookie and he's saying yum. Yum. Ariane, I know you love cookies. Yum. Okay, our next word is yellow.
yellow,
Yellow. 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 We have a yellow crayon. Yellow crayon. Okay, and then our last word here is young. Young.
young,
Young. So, looks like we may have a family here with some brothers and sisters. So, looks like we have the oldest here, and that would be Landon right there is the oldest, and then down here is the youngest. So, that would maybe be your baby sister. She is the youngest. Young. So we have yoga, yum, yellow, and young. So now what would be great is if you could take a few minutes and see if you can find any words that start with Y around your house. Thanks.